I like to kind of consider this editing with color. So I have different clips here that are color coded differently. Very simply, what you do is you go up to timeline, select clips with color clip, orange. Let's say I want to add camera shake to all of those. Boom. So now when you come in, you can see the camera shake is on that one, it's on that one, and that one. So if you edit knowing that you're gonna like this batch, make some changes to things, you can grab, if all the clips that you wanna make that change to are the same color, you can edit them all at one time. This will come in handy when everything's all mixed up. So I have them all next to each other here, but let's go back to the main timeline. Now what I wanna do is go back up, timeline, select clips with color, orange. So you see your orange ones are selected. That even helps if you want to make like a quick move to them. Like I want to move these up or down or whatever. But now I can go camera shake and I didn't have to go hunt down each orange clip. Now they all have camera shake on them. You can click through and see that the effect is on that one, it's on that one, and it's on that one. I can do the same thing. I said, let me grab all the green clips. We'll go back to timeline, select clips with clip color, and I'm gonna go, was it lime? Yeah, it's lime. So I can grab the lime ones, move them around, decide I just wanna get them out of there or whatever, you know, you can do that. So, you know, I don't need those. Wouldn't necessarily suggest doing that that way. Maybe you wanna deselect all of them. That's another way you could do it too. So let's go back to timeline, select those lime color ones, and I can hit Control D for me to deselect them. So maybe I like, all right, kill all of the lime green color ones, we don't need those. That's one of the cool ways you can use to select clips with clip color to edit multiple things at once. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section, and be sure to subscribe for even more content like this. Until next time, peace.